Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola Moto E13, and I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port on this device. So if you want to do it with household items, I suggest to use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use because toothbrush is the best tool if you don't want to damage your USB charging port. And as you can see here, I have something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector. To pry the dirt out, and in our case to brush the dirt out, just insert the one brush part of the brush into the connector and pry the dirt out. Okay, it's clear. Okay, I think it's clear. Yes, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.